Hello guys, what's up? Today I've come to our crops field. It is mustard. It is called mustard. There have been seed production in the plant. So after some days, it will be cut off and we'll get lot of mustard. You can see here wheat. These are wheat plants, and you can see everywhere how long I can see actually. Everywhere you can see the green and greenery. It is corn plant. जिसको मक्का कहते हैं. And this is our mango trees. It's not the season of mango, but it will grow in summer. There will be blossom of flower, mango flower, and then it will grow as mango gradually. So I'm feeling really better here because it is really open space and open air, and it sounds like a heaven. You can see the birds are tweeting everywhere. They're dancing in the branches of the tree. Some I've come to show you some beautiful scenery of crops field. Hope you enjoy. So I'll show you a forest like scene. If it is your better luck, so you can see some wild animal here, like wild foxes, wild cat. It's a nearby forest. In the winter season, the actually wild animals stay in their wild house. So I'm going through this forest. It is not much more dense, but it will be gradually dense after this place. So just wait. I'll show the dense forest here. It is some restricted places. After that, there will be some forest area. So I can't go right now. So I'll show you in later part of my blog. So till then, goodbye, good evening, good night.